Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I hope you're behaving properly and doing all your homework. So, how are you today? Great! I can't hear you. How are you today? Great! Perfect! Now, let's start. We're going to do 2 activities related to plants and gardening. Activity number 1. We will transplant a small plant into a bigger pot, like this. And then we will plant lentils into a plastic cup, like this. Number 1, what do we need? First, we need a small plant. Second, a bigger pot. Third, a glove. Fourth, some compost. Fifth, and some water. Now, let's start. Listen and repeat. Plant, pot, glove, compost, and water. Yeah, perfect! Our plant is very sad because its house is very small. We're going to change it into a bigger house. Now, let's take our glove and we take the bigger pot. We take the compost and we put it inside. Be careful. Like this. We make a hole and we take the plant. Be careful, be careful, be careful, and we put it inside. Like this. We press. And now we take the rest of the compost and we put it to the sides. Pressing. When we're finished, we take a little bit of water and we put it into the compost. Now we're finished. Now our plant is very happy. Now let's get into activity number 2. What do we need? First, a plastic cup. Second, some lentils. Third, some cotton. And fourth, some water. Now, let's start. Now listen and repeat with me. Plastic cup. Lentils. Cotton. And water. Perfect! Okay, let's do this. This is a very easy activity. We take the plastic cup and we take all the cotton and we put it inside, like this. Very good. And like this. Then we take 4 or 5 lentils and we put it on the side of the glass. Like this. And last, we take some water and we put it inside. Okay, perfect. Now it's finished. Now we only have to wait some days to see all the roots. Perfect for today. Now we have 2 plants very, very happy thanks to KUNIGO Home. See you soon.